Probability, example 31. There are 5 boys and 4 girls in a preschool class. If 4 children get to bring something for show and tell today, in how many ways could at least 3 of them be boys? So recall, if you will, from these instructions, we have a maximum of 4 children who get to bring something for show and tell. So I think we could see right here that our maximum number of boys would be 4, because we're looking for at least 3 of them would be boys. So the smallest number would be 3 boys, and the maximum number possible would be 4 boys. Now it's asking us to write out what this group of children could look like, include all possibilities using and or when appropriate. So remember, we are going to have 4 children bringing something for show and tell. So if we have 3 boys, that makes sense that we're going to have 1 girl. So we would have 3 boys and 1 girl. As you see, that's a total of 4 children. So that's a scenario. Or we would have the maximum of 4 boys, so in that case we would have 4 boys. And if we have 4 boys, we're not going to have any girls, are we? So that is all the possibilities that we could have in this scenario. Now calculate, means we're going to end up with the number of ways the given events can occur. So in this situation, we're not talking about the order that they present show and tell. I understand when people kids do show and tell, they all get up in front of the class, but that's not what they're asking. They're just bringing things at this time. So we're talking about just bringing things. We don't care about the order. So we're also assuming that we're talking about no repetition. So like one kid's not going to hog all the spots for bringing a show and tell item. Okay, so since it's no repetition and order doesn't matter, that's a combination. So in this case, we have 5 boys and we need 3 of them. And we have 4 girls and we need 1. So think about what that would look like, okay? So that would be a combination where I have 5, I need 3, and means multiply. I have 4, I need 1. Okay, so that's that 3 boys and 1 girl situation right there. 3 boys, 3 from the 5, 1 girl, 1 from the 4 girls. All right, what does or mean? Or means plus. So think about what I did here. I have 5 boys, I need 3, have 4 girls, need 1. So in this scenario, I have 5 boys, I need 4. And I have 4 girls, and now I need 0. Okay? So let's look at this situation right here. So I have 5 boys, I need 4 of them, and means multiply. I have 4 girls, I need 0. So our answer will be that can happen in 45 different ways.